Hello everyone, this is Jyotsna as a life coach, healer, and counselor. Today I'm going to tell you all how you can use Ho'oponopono prayer to heal your past. Many times some incidences happens in our past and that troubles a lot whenever we are recalling, whenever we are going through the past, whenever it comes just in front of us, it hurts a lot. We become emotionally disabled, emotionally very sad. So if you want to remove all these thoughts which are coming in your mind, then you can use Ho'oponopono prayer and you can heal your past which really you don't want, which is hurting you a lot. You are just supposed to chant four mantras, four phrases of Ho'oponopono prayer. For example, dear my past, I'm sorry, please forgive me, I thank you, I love you. And using these, four mantras, you can heal your past. And if you want to know more about it, how you can heal each and every unwanted things which happened in your past, you can contact me, you can join my WhatsApp group and make your life more peaceful using these mantras, using healing sessions. So let's move ahead and do it. Thank you.